Alright guys, good day and welcome. We have this question from jamb 1991, question 17, where we've been asked to factorize m raised to power 3 minus 2m squared minus m plus 2. Now quickly we write solution. Next we copy out our expression. We have m raised to power 3 minus 2m squared minus m plus 2. Our expression has been arranged in a way that will enable us factorize much easily. Hence, we just dive into factorizing this expression without collecting like terms. So we factorize out m squared from m raised to power 3 minus 2m squared. Factorize at m squared. We're left with bracket open, m minus 2, bracket close. Now we're left with minus m plus 2. From here we factorize at minus 1. And we have bracket open, m minus 2, bracket close. This in turn is equal to bracket open, m squared minus 1, bracket close, bracket open, m minus 2, bracket close. Now we note from our first bracket that the expression m squared minus 1 is a difference of two square expression, and hence can be further factorized. Therefore, we have a bracket open, m squared minus 1. Minus 1 is the same thing as 1 squared, bracket close, bracket open, m minus 2, bracket close. And since we have m squared minus 1 squared, our expression becomes bracket open, m minus 1, bracket close, bracket open, m plus 1, bracket close, bracket open, m minus 2, bracket close. Therefore, answer to this factorization is a bracket open, m minus 1, bracket close, bracket open, m plus 1, bracket close, bracket open, m minus 2, bracket close. Thank you.